Yonkers. Hello, this is Alex Bajan, Vienna, Virginia. You see how the big tree is cutting. You need a big saw for this one. Plus you have to do rope support so it doesn't fall down by wind the other way, right? You use ropes, special crane. How do you're not gonna shred it. What are you gonna do? Chop it to pieces?
No, this is the laurel is coming from the...
At the big truck.
Yeah.
But if somebody can chop the wood sell in Georgetown, one truckload, $400 now. You know?
Yeah.
Winter time when it's slow, you can do wood. My brother, 67, he's still doing himself. No, but sometimes the big stuff he's, hire the people. Now it's good pay. If you know how to climb, you make a very big money. Not everybody knows how to climb. See?
Yeah.
And this is my brother has a bandit. You know?
Cheaper?
Yeah.
Oh, bandit.
Bandit. This Werner, right? Werner. Yeah, this mulch, right? This small. Yeah, very good, you see? Trabajando. See, música buena, Latina, no? And what about the root? You're gonna leave it like this?
It's coming the
Oh, yeah? What about put muriatic acid? No? It's okay. They could have a table. I would cut bigger and put... Make a table, huh?
Yeah.
¿De dónde es? ¿Salvador o México? La Unión San Miguel, Santa Rosa. Mi comprende todo, ¿no? Yeah.